This is the Zora brown trails. That tells you where we're going to go. We're going to go on the green one today. Kind of a nice day. Clouds in the sky, but I don't know, because I was ready to come out here about 8 o'clock and it still turned like 89 degrees, you know, so. We'll see. It's the reason I didn't bring Yuki, because I don't know how hot it's going to get, how fast, so. Okay, let's see. The green trail and the blue trail. I think this is handicap accessible, and I think the blue one is a short one, and then the green one, I don't know. We'll just check it out. That sky though, cool. This is facing east. The sun is just getting up there. Clouds are blocking for cover. Anyway, what kind of video would I have if I didn't have microphone trouble? I don't know if I pulled the wire out or what on my mic, but it stopped working after that last clip that I was doing, but that's okay. I'll just narrate from here on out. And look at this. There's a little sign up here. Let's see what it says. Oh, look, it says that we're walking the green mile. Well, I could tell that this was going to be a short walk, and I was basically just looking for a place to launch the drone, and I found one. So up and away, let's go. They bought this chunk of land, I guess, and then it's pretty good because there's a creek that runs along the edge of those trees where it's dark there, and it's just north of Remington Park. At one time it was like a world-class racetrack. I don't know if it is now, but it's now it's a racetrack and casino. They even had like a packed infield inside by the lakes there, where they had kiddie games and stuff. Now we're swinging to the east. That's showing you I-35 there. They're going to go up here north, and that's where they're doing construction on I-35 and I-44, which will be nice whenever it's done. Then right up here you'll see like a little RV park, and then back here is the health department. It's a pretty nice place there they got. If you notice the picture of Remington Park, beyond it there was another lake. We're going to head over that way because that's south, and across from Remington Park is the zoo, and they have a little park there, a golf course, and a little park that you can go down there and fish. Look at these guys. How can they stay so busy when it's hot? Jeez, look at that energy. And they have their own little garden here with raised beds and stuff, but looks like it needs a lot of watering and stuff. You guys need to get out here and water this. It's locked up, but pretty good idea though. Okay, well, that was a short walk around this, but it's pretty nice. It actually has a little bit of hills, and it's not all just a straight walk, and most of all, it feels safe to come out here and do this. So that's a good place. Anybody wants to come out for a good walk, you know. And that's the complex, the health department complex back there in the distance. And we're gonna be heading over to the Lincoln Park lake and stuff over there, and I'll show you a couple of other drone clips when we get over there in just a second. Doesn't take that long to get over there. It's just a hop and a skip, stone's throw. But yeah, I enjoy this place. This is pretty nice. I'm gonna have to definitely bring Yuki out here and let her wander around and look at everything. You can't tell right here, but this is a upslope right here of a hill, so nice stuff. I'm proud of you, OKC. You did something right. All right, we're there, and I found this little clearing right here. Perfect. There's some concrete tables there I can launch off of. Right across the water there, to the left, is the zoo. It's a pretty nice zoo. And then, well, let's wait till we take off here. Here we go. But that is the zoo right across the water. And then you see that blue ball, that's the science center. That's a pretty interesting place also. And there is Remington Park. See, so we were over there north of it in those woods, in that treed area over there. And then this is the Softball Hall of Fame and Stadium where they play all those games. Then there's the Firefighters Hall of Fame right there on the corner, on the right corner here. And then it's going to swing over, and you can see I-35 again. That's east right there. Then toward the bottom of the screen is hey, there's people out there golfing too. That's part of the golf course. That's Lincoln Park Golf Course. So, and there's me sitting there at the table. Thanks everybody for watching. I appreciate all of you guys, especially the subs that support me. Man, I love you guys. You're the greatest. And I'm gonna put another drone video together later on. But remember these? What do you call them? Just merry-go-rounds, spinners, or whatever. Cool. This one looks like it's about to be reclaimed by the by the nature, but it still spins. Check it out. Get on, man. You guys have a good one, man. We'll catch you next time. Bye-bye.